things to avoid if you want to be rich. We're not just focusing on the money you make, but also the choices you make daily. Yes, the path to wealth is paved with decisions, habits, and a good sense of financial management. It's not just earning big, but also spending wisely, investing smartly, and saving consistently. So we'll dive into some common pitfalls that could be keeping you from your financial goals. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Next up, avoiding negative people. On the road to financial success, you'll encounter all types of individuals. Some will inspire you, motivate you, and help you grow. Others, however, can drain your energy, distract you from your goals, and even lead you down the wrong path. These are the negative people, the naysayers, the ones who always see the glass half empty. Negative people can be a significant barrier to your financial success. They can fill you with doubts, make you second-guess your decisions, and even discourage you from pursuing your goals. You see, negativity is contagious. It can cloud your judgment, lower your morale, and distract you from what truly matters. That's why it's crucial to surround yourself with positive, like-minded individuals. People who understand your dreams, support your goals, and inspire you to be better. People who challenge you, push you to your limits, and help you see the world from different perspectives. Surrounding yourself with these types of individuals can help you stay focused, motivated, and resilient in the face of challenges. They can help you navigate the complexities of financial management, provide you with insights and advice, and even open doors to new opportunities. Remember, your network is your net worth. The people you associate with can significantly influence your mindset, habits, and ultimately your financial success. So choose your circle wisely. Be discerning about who you let into your life and who you spend your time with. So stay surrounded by positivity, ambition, and success. It's one of the best investments you can make. Another pitfall on the road to riches: living beyond your means. It's a phrase that might sound familiar, but what does it truly mean? Simply put, living beyond your means entails spending more than you earn. It's like running a race with a hole in your shoe. You're losing ground with every step. Now imagine your income as a river. The size of the river represents your earnings, and everything that draws from it, your rent or mortgage, groceries, entertainment, and so on, is like a tributary branching off. The problem arises when these tributaries grow so large that they drain the river dry. This is what happens when you live beyond your means. The dangers of overspending are manifold. It can lead to accumulated debt, financial stress, and ultimately, a life that's far from the richness you aspire to. Think of it this way: each dollar you spend unnecessarily is a dollar that could have been invested in your future. So how can you avoid this pitfall? The answer lies in a simple yet powerful tool: budgeting. A well-planned budget is like a roadmap for your finances. It helps you understand where your money is going, allowing you to make better decisions about your spending. Here's a quick tip. Start by listing your income and expenses. Divide your expenses into needs and wants. Your needs are the essentials, things like rent, groceries, and bills. Wants are the extras, those shoes you've been eyeing or that new smartphone that's just hit the market. Once you've got this sorted, aim to spend less on your wants and more on your needs. But remember, don't deprive yourself. It's about making money work for you, prioritizing your financial health and building a strong foundation for your future wealth. So if you want to be rich, keep this in mind. Living within your means isn't a restriction, it's a strategy. A way of ensuring that your river of income flows strong and steady, and that your path to riches remains clear and unobstructed. For more info, click the links in our description box below. One common mistake people make is ignoring investments. Now you might be thinking, investments? Isn't that something only the rich do? But that's a misconception. In fact, investments are a path to wealth, not merely a privilege of it. Investments work like little seeds you plant today that grow into money trees in the future. But these aren't your average trees. They're ones that bear fruit year after year, providing you with a stream of income that doesn't require you to trade your time for money. This is called passive income, and it's a key to financial independence. But what happens when we ignore these investments? Well, let's paint a picture. Imagine two people, one who invests and one who doesn't. The one who doesn't invest keeps all their money in a savings account, earning a minimal interest rate. The one who does invest, however, puts their money in a variety of investment options like stocks, bonds, or real estate, which generally have higher returns over time. Fast forward 20 years. The person who didn't invest still has their savings, but inflation has eroded its value. The person who invested, on the other hand, has a portfolio that's grown significantly. They've created wealth while the other person's savings have barely kept pace with inflation. That's the risk of not investing. By keeping your money idle, you're losing out on potential growth and the opportunity to create wealth. This is not to say that investing doesn't come without risks. It does. But by diversifying your investments, spreading them out across different types of assets, you can manage and mitigate these risks. In essence, investing is not about getting rich quick. It's about growing your wealth steadily over time, making your money work for you rather than you working for your money, taking control of your financial future and building a safety net for yourself and your loved ones. So, if you've been ignoring investments, it might be time to reconsider. Start small if you need to. Learn about different investment options. Seek advice from trusted sources. Remember, investments aren't just for the wealthy, they're a path to wealth. Procrastination. It's a habit that can derail your path to success. Now you might be saying, but I'm doing my best, and that's commendable. But when we talk about procrastination, we're referring to a specific kind. The procrastination that you back from taking care of your health, from prioritizing your fitness, from seeking opportunities to improve yourself, and from exploring additional income streams. The procrastination that keeps you saying, I'll do it later, or I will start a workout routine next week. But here's the reality. If you want to be productive, you can't afford to procrastinate. Why? Because productivity and success rarely come to those who wait. They come to those who act, who seize opportunities, who take the initiative to learn about self-improvement and apply it. So, what does overcoming procrastination look like? It begins with taking an active role in your personal growth. This means setting health and fitness goals, creating a routine, tracking your progress, learning about self-improvement, and making the effort to find additional income streams. It means not just trying hard, but also trying smart. Overcoming procrastination might seem challenging, especially if you're not an expert in fitness or finance. But remember, you don't have to do it alone. There are resources available to help you, like fitness trainers, self-help books, online courses, podcasts, and more. The key is to take the first step, to move from being passive to active in your journey of self-improvement and success. And once you do, you'll find that the path to productivity and prosperity becomes clearer and more achievable. If you want to be successful, remember, success doesn't come to those who wait. It comes to those who act. Be careful of the dangers of living beyond your means and the perils of ignoring investments. Mismanaging debt can lead you into a financial abyss, a trap that can take years, even decades, to escape from. It's understanding the difference between good debt and bad debt and managing both wisely. Living beyond your means, on the other hand, is like trying to fill a leaking bucket. You're working hard to earn, but if you're spending more than you earn, you'll never get ahead. As for ignoring investments, remember that money needs to work for you. Investments are your ticket to financial growth and freedom. They're the seeds that can grow your wealth over time. Savings provide a financial cushion for emergencies, unexpected expenses, or opportunities that may arise. These are the financial missteps that can keep you from accumulating wealth. But remember, it's never too late to change course. With knowledge and discipline, you can avoid these pitfalls and set yourself on the path to financial success. Remember, wealth isn't just about making money. It's about making smart decisions with the money you have.